Well, having a business for me is about making money, and we got to support ourselves and all that. Really, it's about being a part of the community and striving to make the place that we live better. My goal was to build the best aftermarket motorcycle shop in the United States. Now, we both know that's not something we can measure, and that's not, there's a lot of great shops out there. But my thought was, if we can strive for that, we're gonna do well. And so, we searched the country. For instance, Jesse moved from Oregon, and we had some people move here to work, and I've been just so blessed to have a team of people assembled under this roof. They're all heavy hitters and some of the best in the industry. Dreamrides does not function without these people. Really, I'm blessed to be able to be the face of the brand, but really without Tom and Jim and Wyatt out in California and the whole crew we have here, it's just not going to happen. This is not a one-man show. My passion is seeing how far I can push the limit on a Harley Davidson, as far as giving it a ton of power, but also that we can, go interstate on the bike. Last month, my wife and I woke up in Southern Ohio, and then we had a drag race event later that day. We rode 300 miles. I pulled up to the track. I took the shit out of my saddlebags. I strapped my front end down, and then I was running it down the track the same day. This bike on our dyno has 202 horsepower. It's a 143 with a Trask Assassin turbo that we had to modify a little bit. I really like the Trask Assault turbos. I have a bike with an Assault on there, and it has a quick little dump, but I wanted the stainless steel. So when I talked to Nick, I told him, hey, I'm looking for this Assassin kit, but I want the dump pipe modified, and they were kind enough to do so. I did a lot of things, like one, we're selling this +1 oil pan, and on a big motor, we're not necessarily adding more oil with a +1 oil pan, but as that piston comes down, it's pressurizing the lower end. It's a much bigger piston than stock, so we're displacing a lot more air. So we use that +1 oil pan to give the bottom end more air volume to pulsate. With the S&S oil pump, cam plate, the +1 oil pan, routing my breathers, doing a few little trick things. I'm keeping stock head temperatures on a 143 with a turbo. We've had a lot of companies help us build this 143. It's got a Baker grudge box in it. I'm a big fan of the Nest big brakes and the Brock swing arm and the BST wheels. But really, I set out to build really my ultimate road king, the bike that I could ride every day, whether it's, I'm going 300 miles or riding into the track, or later on today we'll be on the Dragon. All right. My name is John Jessup, and we're here at Dreamrides. Okay.